Hi, welcome to LaLas World. Today we're going to talk about how to schedule automatic stock purchases using Cash App. Be sure to click the subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell so you can see more videos. Okay, first, open Cash App. Then, look to the bottom right and click the second to the last button for stocks. Scroll down until you find a stock you want to invest in. I'm going to choose Apple. Once you make your choice, click on the stock you want to auto-invest in. Click on Buy. Choose the amount you want to purchase. Choose the frequency, and you can choose daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks. Then confirm. And please note there's a $10 minimum for auto-invest. I'll choose $10 and click Next. You'll be asked to verify with a PIN or fingerprint. Then, after you enter this, you'll get a confirmation. Please note that all purchases take place on the next market open day at 9:30 a.m. If everything looks correct, click Schedule. And then you'll get another confirmation. Then click Done. Now, if you want to cancel your auto invest stock purchase, you'll scroll down on the stock and click Auto Invest. Click Cancel Biweekly Purchases, or whatever you chose the first time, and click Confirm by clicking Cancel All Biweekly Purchases. Click Done, and that's it. Well, thanks for watching how to schedule automatic stock purchases using Cash App. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down below. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.